Alright guys, welcome. So here's my backdrop and I'm going to show you guys where I got it from. I actually got this rug from Five Below and almost everything in this video. Here's an example of a round rug, but the one I have is a shape rug, which I'll show you right here. And guys, it was $5. And I just used thumbtacks. They were like gold thumbtacks to put them up. They were very easy to push into the wall and it stayed up there. I also got these 18-inch wall shelves from Five Below as well in the color white. I believe that I used a total of 3 of those. So I tried to make this one of those cute little videos where you kind of like speed up what's going on and you kind of see us going in and out. But yeah, almost everything that I got in this video I got from Five Below, so it's $5 or less. And this is one of those mirror selfie strips, and you can adjust it between warm and cool light. I am going to plan on using this a little later on in my beauty setup because it has the lighting set up and I think it'll be a good addition. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys that for now. So yeah, here's a bunch of Jason putting the shelf up and me, I ain't doing shit but dancing, look at me. And then, you know, I'll do a little productive and then, yeah, here we go. So these are some string lights. I got these from Five Below as well for $5. We will be incorporating this into the backdrop around the plant and of course the rug. So here you can see Jason was asking me where I wanted him to put these shelves. These are a set of 3. They're also $5 and from Five Below. And I'm one of those people I kind of have to like stand back to kind of see how I want it aligned. So you'll see me do that in a couple seconds in which I walk around like the filming setup and go to get a better look at it. And Jack licking his penis. What you doing, son? What you doing? And I just want to reiterate that like everything was pretty user friendly and easy to place up, although I didn't do most of it, Jason did, but it was a pretty easy process. I think you guys could definitely DIY it. And here I'm just showing you that Five Below did have a couple plants. I actually got this plant, I believe, from Target, but they did have little plants that were similar to this in Five Below if you wanted to use one of those. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and place this Girl Boss sticker that I got from Dollar Tree. Of course, it was $1, and I'm gonna place that to my liking over to the right of the rug area. And this is kind of the part where you kind of customize how you would like, but all of this stuff is super affordable, and you just gotta play with it until it looks like how you want it to.
Jiggy got that juice.
So here we're kind of playing around with the lights, kind of trying to see where we want to put them. The cool thing about these lights is it has like a little battery pack, so there's like AA batteries. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hide the battery pack in the mug that I put up there, but they are battery operated. I'm sure you could probably find some that you can plug into the wall, but I like the battery operated better because you have more flexibility as to where you can put it. Alright, so here's my current finished backdrop that I'm going to show you guys in a second. I'll give you a little bit of like a little 360 look of it. We also went and purchased 2 additional shelves and I put them on that little side wall to the left so I can have a little bit extra space, which you guys will see in just a second. And that's basically it. I didn't want this to be too long, but let me know if you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and comment down your favorite part down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.